I travel for work and spend a significant amount of time in hotel rooms. I always carry a small crescent wrench with me. During my week-long hotel stays, I remove the shower head and take out the flow restrictor, adding it to my collection. I enjoy using the entire pump bottles of shampoo and trying to create a foamy beard all over my body. It's become a fun challenge to see how sudsy I can get. I've managed to collect a few flow restrictors so far, and it's interesting to compare them. This quirky habit brings me joy and makes my hotel stays more entertaining.